Namite tuni nisim khat February 2026 ni hin Manipura BJP MLA hole apan khompi MLA ho zosi BJP center leadership hon Delhi a ko na anei win hi Manipura BJP MLA ho zosi chule government kisim na a political party chumchuma kon BJP to sot na pang MLA ho zosi New Delhi khopi a honglongding nisim ni February 2026 ni hole popular government chungchanga meeting nei dingin BJP center leader Lungkham hon kona anei ki duin hi het heading chu Manipur sunga president rule ki koi phat bi hi tula February nisim som me thumle deciding a hitan Jehoji a hi achisa nisim 31st January 2026 ni kho a honglongding jing ni kho nisim 2nd February 2026 ni thla ni dan ni masanga Delhi khopi thon lowa lungchi dinga BJP center lamkai hon kona a hin nei to thlonin MLA ho zo se chi dingin aki gong talwe tin thulut chun asai be kinin a hi chule e hamtia Manipura popular government kisim do zo lo ding le tule tua parliament session chi lajing phat sunga hi awnglung ding ni sim 10 March 2026 ni khole Lok Sabha NPA Manipur budget 2026-27 chungchang sei khoma umding chule nisim 12 March 2026 ni khole Rajya Sabha NPA sei khomna umdingin thulut chun asai be ki duwin tun abanin Manipura BJP MLA ho hi a stingla NDA pan ho zo sin Delhi azot na ho airport na atho sei na ho ga ngai thla tiwin ama hon epi sei ham video chom chakhat ga ve ki thi TV
government semak pa yai mayam kauri je nange Facebook chanaba mayam na pangai ha so anta gijim de asim bo lo ma
Facebook ta ti yam oina khre ne chief minister ji ga mai tawro
oi moi Facebook to oi bo version
all the best
leader ji kana oi ba ya bicha
leader gi sidi center na khalak pa ma Facebook da khalai no oi ni ai laite center leader sing na apa ma Manipur gi issue ji gi matang da khop na yeng ga ma soi da na khalak kan ya da kanam te na yel su ya
da wa hai meeting ji pung kya mo oi do
meeting ji pung kya no exactly thang di pung ani matung evening oi dong man
सर इस मीटिंग में क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं मीटिंग के लिए नहीं जा रहे हैं हम एक फंक्शन है सिलचर में इसी के लिए जा रहे हैं फंक्शन है एक सिलचर में हम ये मीटिंग के लिए हमको पता नहीं है
दिल्ली में तो समन किया गया आपको न्योता नहीं मिला क्या
हमको नहीं मिला है
कर सकते हैं
क्या उम्मीद है सेंट्रल लीडर से
अभी सभी एनडीए के एमएलए लोग को बुलाया है जो पार्टी का भी बुलाया है पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट के साथ साथ तो अभी हम आशा करते हैं विश्वास करते हैं जरूर सरकार बनाएंगे
धन्यवाद सेंट्रल लीडर ने कौन मीटिंग से कहीं एक्सपेक्ट हो गया
hành số là các bạn sẽ tăng hành xong gì kìa
आने सब खाऊंगी
madam chị cứ có căn gì chẳng rồi cả hay chưa kìa
What is the purpose of this meeting, sir?
I have no idea about the purpose of the meeting, but somehow the government is going to, I think, from my guess, is going to form some.
So will KUKI's MLA going to participate in the meeting?
Hopefully.
Thank you.
no there are a lot of speculation about the formation of new government as honorable Rajan has said that the agenda is definitely about the formation of government. When will this meeting will take place and what are the agenda of the meeting?
Most probably, I think meeting will take place by tomorrow. But we don't get any information as of now. They told us that we should reach by today itself because tomorrow will be meeting. That's all.
Any idea about the new leadership?
No.
You anyone will be acceptable to you?
So can we expect KUKI's MLA participating in the meeting?
There also we don't have any information. Let's hope for the best.
Good afternoon, sir. What can we expect?
What do you expect from this visit?
पूरा पॉजिटिव मैंने कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा होगा ना तो
कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा होगा क्या क्या उम्मीद है
सरकार से मेरे लिए उम्मीद नहीं कहीं नहीं चाक चाक बच्चा को चाक हाउ है तो something is doing Chalo, all the best to Manipur. When you do social media, then you are judging everything wrong. BJP will do just the opposite of what social media says. Otherwise, they come you.
Thank you, all the best.
चलो आप मीटिंग पर
कुछ भी हो सकता है
क्या सरकार बनने वाले हैं मणिपुर का
हाँ हाँ बनने वाला है Kenapa dipanggil tuh kenapa dia nggak mau? Kan dia tadi.
Sir, what do you expect from this journey visit today?
I cannot say anything, but I think it is the best way.
Sir, you know, many
For
many times MLA has been summoned to Delhi, but nothing has been.
Let's see what will happen after this visit.
Something will be happen.
Yeah, something will happen.
So, are you 100% sure about this? Sir?
I don't have any comment on that matter.
So, are you 100% sure that there will be a new
For
government?
myself, I am 100%, but not for all. But as far as I am concerned, I am 100% convinced. Thank you.
Sir, what do you expect from this? Are you going to join the meeting in Delhi?
Yeah, I'm going to Delhi.
Are you going to attend the meeting called by the BJP?
I really don't know, but I hope so.
Okay. Sir, do you think a new government is coming up very soon?
So nothing is certain. We're just being called for a meeting, so we're just going to attend and see what the government has to say or what the party has to say to all its allies. Let us only be hopeful. Thank you.
Formation of a popular government.
Formation
of a popular government.
Sir, is there any fixed timing or venue for the said meeting, sir?
Detail has not been disclosed. Only we are requested to come.
Sir, Manipur ngasi konsesi konsesi ngasi konsesi mai pa kali kandi ba sarkar se din ta uti.
Akan engkan.
Mamang na su damang ram to gure du su se makti.
I di same is why I do.
Mayam
I di why I take it ni. I na have say Hojiki extended 6 months ki tam se sibau ki manung da se makani de di high ko. Aru ga ina no mata government tarik adu da same ni khoni da haje.
Mayam ma damang ram to wi na ko. Se me se ni sa ba ta. Centrally da se kana kana una.
Not a date and a time dia high dia have ko. I na di high dia do atai di khang.
So, who will be the central leader who will be chairing the meeting?
Not known yet.
No information yet.
BJP central leaders have called a meeting for NDA MLAs in Manipur. So, what did you expect in this case?
Let us expect the best.
What would be
Yes,
the best?
we are called, all the NDA partners officially, and we are going and we will see what things are happening. Yes, we'll push for good things to happen for Manipur again. And as our party is also pushing hard, let us hope. But it is yet to know. After we reach, only we will come to know.
Sir, earlier NPP has demanded the ministerial post for the party as well. So,
Will there be such?
That thing,
any arrangement on that?
that thing cannot be judged just by just asking and just giving. But we have to sit down and see what are the pros and cons and how to go about. Yes, we are an NDA partner, even in the state of Meghalaya. The BJP is very much with our party. We are forming Meghalaya Democratic Alliance along with the BJP. And we hope that Manipur also gets that momentum that we, NPP, are also with the government. And we fully support the BJP-led government. And we are part of the NDA. So whatever in the NDA, I think we shall comply to what the procedure the NDA give. That's it. As of now, we have no comments
About the ministers?
yeah, about the ministerial bird or whatever. It depends on the central leaders. Thank you.
Tuni BJP MLA sole NDA MLA sozo sin Manipura kona Delhi azot na wathu hi Manipura BJP President Sarda Devi chu sambit patra in ahin het sa dungzuya Delhi azot no hi in tun Manipur siam lui de tolpu Birin Singhen achi lona waji sei chomcha ga ngai kid hi TV
members in Kobani Naiba Nanoi Koi BJP gi mayam pulure adugi development na mayam phajna lei adui matungda sigi NDA gi loi suna korpai si adagi amuk khoi gi PR gi matam si tarik 32 dagi tarani thoi dagi hena lan ba yada panina I am positive about outcome ama lakani and
Sir, can we expect a new government very soon, sir?
Today all the NDA partners are inviting in the center. Let us hope positive response.
How do you feel? And do you feel any regret that had you been still in power, things could have been little more different?
No. Government is a continuing process. I try my best to change the landscape sense in the state of Manipur and change the lower hill, both hill in the valley. Landscape changing
About this concrete road,
yeah, it will be finished soon.
Central bo hon BJP MLS hole NDA apang MLS ho zo si ain ko na wa hi ho KUKI zo MLS ho jong ko na chu jaw te ding hi bin ahin ama ho akunin I macha thu umpon chule media ho chekin jong ama ho thu I ma asei naw aki hi lain tun abanin pu pau zu khu buite hi chi chung thu a ho limna chomcha ga ngai ki thi ti we
MLA ho hin mi pi ho hi thật về lệ lạ mà nãy coi lầu vàng và hi thật về cái lệ hết tia chu cái lệ na in này cái chiều cho mi pi ho nó cũng khác nhiều hơn lắm MLA ho hi cái design lệ áp tiêu cho cái share này nhiều cái cho mi pin thế tập bằng right to recall thì đâm khát chu India cái exercise thấy bé sẽ lâu cái cho right to elect bố cái này cái elect thì tao cho anh là thiên hi không cái bây giờ hết tập bằng political dynamic khana hong ki chop dur khat pha wa hi ama ho ki gel deu chula ai thei ta po hi chi nam thu hi tan politics thu hi ta po na nam thu hi tan po tau te ga I het jing ba wang wa ma ho hi ki ho khom deal di hi lo beu chu ka sei jing ba nga mi som bo hi wang wa hi ki ho lo chu a convener a ke than pau hi han lang koi hi rong lo function lo za mo la he ke ho lim na khom chil chanan he ke ho na ve taw a hi wa nga nam khat leader khat na hi na wa a ke ho du bong wa ko ke ho lo he lo cho khat ga chi ta khat ni khat oi mo diu ka he che ka experience cho ka chi le na ke ho lim pi le na wa hi ta bang chun iti ilam kai du han ya ka sei je hi chi mi som I ke than do ho chu mi pi ilam kai the lo wa he le I pi ti mo du ham na ga ngai to ta pi popular government hi ta bang boina violence separate administration chan ge demand athelium violence ong thun masanga government ki ti jeng cho popular government ki te lo cho popular mi pin athen hi cho ewanga popular government ki te lo cho normally government ki ti jeng cho hintabang state se hong pha wa government in avet le law and order situation tabanga amu pha na chu constitution da ki to dinga adjust abole lewa president's rule hi jong le president's rule min puwa ahin koi to ahin le he chi adin now constitutional base president's rule 2 times imposition cho hung ki chai ta ele mi pin jong hin khop ta ai le MLA ho jeng jong hung ki chu taw popular government president's rule koi do a government tha sim ding lungial hin nei pan taw a hin nei ole am ho ka la jong chief minister post hong ki chu taw ele ministerial birth aja hong ki chu taw he chi abo wa chu president's rule jo wa pa na masanga ana government chu ahong ki impose bu phana chu popular government hong ki ti cha helai chu bo cha popular hong ki hak khel ha masanga chu ki sei lo chu to a chu mi pi in president's rule ka chim taw ve tun mi pi o chun popular government masanga pa chu form taw te tin he chu ahiti a hele popular government je form tawe I form over a hele I minister ho MLA mi som ho jo popular government a iso lut over hele ichi mi pi ho president's rule ka chim tawin popular government nehin koi pi tawin ti ho la achu ipano ta chu mi pi ho chu I ho mo chu MLA ho people's sorry popular government aga form over aga chi po ba hele MLA ho ngo hi ve tang ke ba mi pi ko ngo de chu mi pi viewers ho ngai tao mi pi I hon itin lo wa hele ma ting dum lo chu
achaina adingin pu hezang mi sawin hi chithua aseiga ngayu hitin tuni adingin achaina hi sa ta ti ve
government sorry central government jun popular government ju form te dinga ti hin hi chi aki form na dinga chu government mai ibet diu ham nampi mai ibet diu ham chibang hi ikil han diu are we going to appease the central government or are we going to still stand with our people chỉ tên thì cái chỗ khát cái lần đi chỉ chú hơi chỉ mấy cái lần nhiều đôi nên xây dựng vậy chỉ đông như là chúng mình biến ở bàn step bị cái là được đi chú cha chú ở bàn đi mình chúng ta tính lệ bule của luôn nên chú họ hi idam dam lâu đi hết đi cái bằng chân dam kita dam đi hết idam gì mà tu này em bỏ dùng lâm đi rồi dam một tiếng pai mo te ka tina bang hipoi na amo chu pom po te ka tina hipoi I pom diu I dem diu that's our right I dem diu I dem jiwa chu tu na mo dong khang ji jiu mo dem một tin mo sei do te ka tina lo a chi khil ba a bol khil ba tu chu nga I bija manipur ti ti ke thei lo ne ga soi na ka ham ta mi pin yao do ba chu I think that's the right steps. Ichichu tu na yung ibolte yung ay. Tu na chu popular government formation na di anak kigot ba with hichi condition chu no ya chu government form na kigot chu na za cha lo ham no iti the na lai wai. Na hichi chu ibolte yung ay. Ke bang chun su group hen lang ke za si hen lang emily ho yung le. We have the right to criticize them. Them thay he. Ai ba nga chu disown chu bol lo ngai a ji chu khati hi ve na I disown lo diu he support I bol diu a chi hil na ba chu di ta chu chi sa dai dam diu he I chu ga sei do nom chule our political goal is very clear there's no dichotomy there is no ambiguity our political goal is very clear separate administration UT with legislature hin ja chu na dang chị bồi gol cái chú bồi tí nó đi khát sao vậy ý gol cái chị in cha he ilung to ta ikalson diu pa bồi thu pi